Hi, I'm Toni Teixeira. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and a psychotherapist. I like to use emotional freedom technique, EFT, or tapping with my clients to help them process difficult emotions. But did you know that it could also be used for pain and nausea? Today I'm going to do a tapping segment on nausea using EFT to help with nausea. So, taking responsibility for your health and well-being, you can tap along with me, and here we go. Even though I'm feeling nauseous right now, I choose to be relaxed and calm. Even though I'm feeling nauseous right now, I am relaxed and at ease. Even though I'm feeling nauseous right now, I am relaxed, calm, and whole. I'm feeling pretty nauseous. This nausea. I'm feeling pretty nauseous. I can feel this nausea. This persistent nausea. I can feel it. I feel this nausea. It's there. I can't stop it. And I can notice it. I can notice it in my body. This persistent nausea. I can feel it. I know it's with me. It's still there. I can't change it. It's really hard that I can't change it. But if I focus on it, if I try to make it go away, sometimes it gets worse. So it might be helpful to just let it be there. And try not to struggle with it so much. It's really hard having this nausea, this persistent nausea. Feeling pretty nauseous. It's still there. It's still there. I feel this nausea. I feel this nausea. There's still the remnants of it. This nausea. Still some remaining nausea. Take a deep breath. Check in and notice what's happening inside right now. When you do this tapping, in the beginning, check in with yourself and see what level you're at on a scale of 0 to 10. And then check in with yourself again at the end to see if you went down. If you're down to from a 10 to a 5, great. Keep tapping. Do another round of this. See if you can get it down even more, helping you process what's going on in your body, and staying with it and not fighting that feeling could be helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. Thanks.